Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving into the world of words and exploring a particularly interesting one, B1. Our word for today is B1, an adjective at the B1 level, meaning confused, unclear, uncertain. So, what does it actually mean to be B1? Well, it describes a state of being unclear or uncertain, often resulting in confusion. You might feel B1 when you're trying to understand a complicated instruction, or when you're faced with a difficult decision. Let's look at how we can use B1 in everyday language. Imagine someone asks you for directions to a place you're not familiar with. You might say, "I'm a bit B1 about this area, sorry." Or, if you're reading a document and the meaning is unclear, you could say, "The instructions are quite B1." Now, let's explore some synonyms of B1. A good synonym for B1 is perplexed. For example, she looked perplexed by the puzzle. Another synonym is bewildered. We could say, he was bewildered by the sudden change of plans. A third synonym is disoriented. Consider this sentence. After the long flight, I felt completely disoriented. Yet another synonym is muddled, as in, the details of the agreement are quite muddled. And finally, let's look at baffled. The detective was baffled by the lack of evidence. Now, let's flip the script and look at some antonyms of B1, words that have the opposite meaning. One antonym of B1 is clear. For example, the instructions were very clear and easy to follow. Another antonym is certain. We could say, I am certain about my decision. A third antonym is definite, as in, she gave a definite answer. Let's consider obvious as well. The solution was obvious once he pointed it out. And lastly, let's look at unambiguous. The contract used unambiguous language to avoid any confusion. Now, let's delve into how you can use B1 in your daily conversations. You could say, I'm feeling B1 about which job offer to accept. Or, the weather forecast is quite B1. It says it might rain or be sunny. Here are some more usage examples in sentences and phrases. I'm completely B1 as to why he's behaving like this. The situation is a bit B1, but we're working to clarify it. He gave a B1 explanation that only confused me more. The map was B1, so we got lost. Don't be B1. Just follow the simple steps. I find his intentions B1. She was B1 by the professor's complicated lecture. The rules of the game are quite B1 to me. I'm a little B1 about the new software update. The directions he gave were rather B1. So, to summarize, B1 means confused, unclear, uncertain. We learned some synonyms like perplexed, bewildered, disoriented, muddled, and baffled. We also explored antonyms like clear, certain, definite, obvious, and unambiguous. Remember, practice using B1 in your daily conversations to improve your vocabulary and fluency. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and continue their language learning journey. Now, for your challenge, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word B1 and share it as a comment below the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words. Bye for now.